Hello everyone, welcome to the City of La Palma's Virtual Recreation YouTube channel. If you don't already know, my name is Amanda and today we are making dirt cups, but gigantic dirt cups. So let's get started. So for these gigantic dirt cups, all you're going to need is a gigantic bowl of pudding to be your mud, and then you want some cookies to mimic dirt, and then obviously we're going to need some bugs, so some sour candies or just regular gummy worms. Pretty much use whatever kind of candies you like to mimic the dirt. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is crush our cookies. So you could take a baggie and just put in a couple, and then it gets really fun because you get to crush them. Just kind of smush it. If you want, you can take a rolling pin, crush it that way, but I think it's a little more fun to hit it with a spoon or a hard item. Okay, so this will be our first layer of dirt. Okay, so here's our bag. Next, we're going to take our gigantic cup and our big bowl of pudding, and we're gonna just start making layers for our dirt cup. So you want to do a couple scoops. Oh yeah, look at that mud. Uh-oh. Okay, let's do one more. All right. So there's our one layer. Next, we're gonna do our dirt. So we're just gonna pour it in like that. So now we have mud and dirt. And then what comes next is the bugs. So we're just gonna put some in there. A lot of blue bugs in there. Okay, so that's one layer. Next, we do it all over. So let's crush some more Oreos. So once we reach the top, you can start decorating it however you want. So I'm gonna make some worms sticking out of the dirt. So I'm gonna stop right here before I put too much candy on top of mine. Alright. Ooh. We zoomed in a little bit so that you guys could see these beautiful layers that we have of our dirt. So we have our pudding, we have our cookies as our dirt, and then some worms sticking out, and then you can just build on those layers. You can make as many or as little as you want. But always make sure to top it off with a lot of bugs. Now we're gonna eat it, which I'm really excited about. But with a gigantic dirt cup, you need a gigantic spoon. So let's dig in. Gotta make sure to get a really good big bite. Oh gosh. Thank you for joining me on today's how-to, where we learned how to make dirt cups. So make sure that you try it for yourself, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.